You mentioned that induction is better,
Yeah.
right? So the first thing, as a restaurateur, if I'm a restaurateur, I would be asking you, how is it better, right? Is there have you measured this, um, or is there a scale to comparison versus the traditional means? How did we come at this inference?
Uh, I have two things to answer in your question. The first part is how is it better? When you say how it is better is when you have more precise control on the temperature, on the heat, the rate of heat transfer, the time, you're avoiding a lot of food waste because you're not letting your process parameters go beyond your desired values. So there's no burnout and your consistency is absolute.
Okay.
Unlike your conventional ways where your dependency is based on what you see visually, like size of the flame, color of the flame. Beyond that, there's no metering to it. Other
No,
than
I,
a
I-
very
I was talking about from an energy point of view.
at
Like if
Dana.
there are units to be said that, okay, traditional means this is the energy. I mean, can you
Yeah,
even
yeah.
compare?
So no, we've actually done this.
Okay.
So we've specifically done this on a 10 kg biryani
Okay.
production itself. Before we do this, while we were putting our presets and parameters into our machines, we closely worked with chef. During one of the processes, we tried to cook a 10 kilo of biryani. While we are making this 10 kilo of biryani, what we wanted to actually figure out is, are we able to make biryani perfect?
Okay. Same consistency,
Yeah,
both of
same
it.
consistency, both. But then we've also got a lot of data from that in terms of how much energy are we actually saving, how fast is the process. So if you look at a conventional way of cooking biryani, 10 kgs of biryani takes you a cooking time of about 1.5 hours. And then there's 1 hour before that where you actually prepare the marinade and the pre-prep and all. The actual cooking time is 1.5 hours. To cook 10 kgs through 1.5 hours of cooking time, you'll
That
need
is through LPG, is it?
with LPG.
LPG.
With
Okay.
LPG,
Okay.
you need about 1.5 kilo to 2.5 kilos of LPG.
LPG. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. What is the cost?
1500 grams to 2500 grams of
Okay.
LPG.
Okay.
So why there is a 1 kg difference is, see, burners are not 100% efficient. It depends on what flame you're putting and the condition of the burner.
I know
Is
the
it
wastage.
getting the proper
Wastage.
air? Has the burner recently been serviced? So modestly, you can take it at 2 kgs.
Okay.
Between 1.5 and 2.5 kilos, you take it at 2 kilos. That's a practical way of getting to the data. Your commercial cylinder now costs you about 2200 rupees for 19 kg cylinder.
2200.
100
That is
rupees.
after today.
That is as on today.
As of today, that's the escalation.
Previously, it was about 1700, 1600 bucks.
1700.
Now
Okay.
it's
Okay.
220.
Okay. We'll calculate it for now.
Yes. So when you come to bring it down to 1 kilo, that is, you divide 2200 divided by 19 kilos, the commercial cylinder size. 110 rupees is the per kilo price of LPG.
Okay.
To make 10 kg of biryani, you had to operate for 1.5 hour cooking with 2 kilos of LPG.
Okay.
You multiply 2 kilos with 110 rupees.
Okay.
So you're able to
220.
get 220 rupees is your cost of your LPG to make 10 kilos of biryani.
Okay.
So we finished the story on how we've got to the data with the LPG. And now when I want to do the same 10 kilo biryani on an induction, it practically took us 1 hour. 1 hour on
Okay.
an 8 kilowatt rated induction system, heat source. So a commercial power price ranging between 8 rupees to 12 rupees. Even on the higher side, I take 12 rupees. And 1 hour of 8 kilowatt induction unit running will be about 8 multiplied by 12 is about 96 rupees. So we are closely saving to about 55% against the 220 rupees and 96.
So this is just for 10 kgs of biryani.
This is just for 10 kgs. You scale it up and then the numbers are different. Apart from that, you are making the same 10 kilo.
So, for example, an outlet, a good biryani place, right? A good biryani restaurant chain would make around 500 kgs easily a day.
Yeah. So then you divide that 500 by 10.
Okay.
that is 50 rounds, and
Okay.
multiplied by your savings
Okay.
of 110